Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to contact the Binance customer support, and this is actually very simple. First up, if you are on your PC, then you want to sign up, and the dashboard should look something like this, and you can do the same for your phone as well. But once you sign up and it looks something like this, what you want to do is scroll down to the absolute bottom. As you can see, just under this support tab, there's this 24/7 chat support. So if you want chat support, you click on this. As you can see, the Binance chat has opened up. So I need to at first complete my verification. But once I do them and I click on get support over here, as you can see, please enter your question. So let's say, how do I transfer my Bitcoin, for example? As you can see, how to transfer, all of these options come up. And if you just click on one, as you can see that it's typing that we need some patience, so just give it some time because this also depends on the amount of traffic they're having at the same time. If it's too much traffic, then it might be too long. And let's say you don't still find your answer, so you can click on unsolved and then the questions below. So what you need to do is click on not relevant, and then you want to click on yes, transfer to customer service. I'm not clicking on this one now because I don't have anything to tell them, so I don't want to unnecessarily allocate a spot. But once you click on yes, transfer to customer service, you will automatically be transferred, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.